It's me, Beau Naturale, your friendly neighborhood naturalist. Cock-a-doodle-doo! That's good morning to bird, especially rooster. I'm here to talk to you about, you guessed it, birds. Every single morning at daybreak, the birds start to sing. Ever wonder what they're saying? Well, guess what? I'm here to tell you. It's all about advertisement. The who, what, and where. This is what the birds are actually saying. I'm Beau. I'm Beau. Beau, Beau. I'm Beau. Hey! 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 It's my area. Get on. Hi, girl, hi. What? I've got a cache of nuts and such. I'm healthy. Just look at my lovely plumage. I got reliable transportation. Tweet, tweet. Oh no, there's a hawk. Y'all better run. Okay, he's gone, as you were. So there you have it, a little quick listening to some bird vocabulary. Hey, hey,